when the mic gets bumped up. Ironic though, stepping forward is a setback. We wreck rap, insurmountable skill, you're bouncing your grill. As the funk circulates, an uncertain fate falls upon the crowd. It's Jekyll on the prowl with the
when you're stepping on my toe there, punk. Ooh, I like this track, come on. This Jekyll, impeccable Jekyll, and real Pharaoh. Bouncing from here to ear, space bound for that universal burrow in your atmosphere. Get your ass up, sucker, and walk this way. Don't talk, just bounce to the rhythm display. Look around, I guarantee you find a pretty lady screaming, don't fuck with me. In your wildest dreams, 'cause I make them sing. Nasty with conversations, green ladder and rhythmic pattern, brain shattering, bouncing and jumping and freaking the funk. 95, I ain't going for that whack ass
and
jump.
you can take a chunk out, and I still manage to supply high-tech lines in the masses like stars in the sky. We all can ride on the train service, soul food, and watch the shows move to a cold groove.
Cold groove is moving me, code name incredible. Jekyll introducing RT, freak the order.
A lot of bros out there is copycats with them sloppy raps, perpetrating something special in their best show. Got broke up like percentages from the ruckus of our cipher in the back, dusty busters, audio snipers, suckers beware, stand clear of this. Packing that funk, that breaks
don't
spirit.
Fuck with me.